this afternoon. In any case, a lot of insurance stocks are up and about. HDFC Life, by the way, last I checked, was up about 4.5%. Ditto for Max and a couple of others as well. Even ICICI Prudential, Lombard, ICICI Pru Life, all of the stocks are up and about. So here's the news. The Parliament Committee report on finance has been tabled in the Parliament today, and a lot of recommendations are being made about the insurance sector, including things like maybe composite licenses, perhaps lowering GST on certain type of insurance policies. So let's go across to Parikshit to understand some of these details. Parikshit?
Well, the Parliamentary Committee on Finance has met officials from the industry, from IRDAI, the Ministry of Finance, and has looked at ways to strengthen the insurance sector in India. They have noted that it's going very fast in a very robust manner, but at the same time, insurance penetration remains very low. Now, one of their top recommendations is rationalizing the GST rate on insurance products, which is 18% at present, and specifically, they speak about health insurance products, particularly retail policies for senior citizens and micro-insurance policies. These are sectors or products where the tax rate can be rationalized. Also, the capital requirement, the minimum capital requirement of 100 crores for companies to enter the insurance sector. This, they feel, needs to be rationalized so that smaller niche players can enter and cover wider geographies in the country. A composite license must be considered. Now, this is something which is complicated. It will need amendments to the Insurance Act. And this is what the Finance Ministry has recommended, that if you bring this policy with a composite licensing arrangement, that could give a major push to the insurance sector. The Ayushman Bharat scheme, they have pondered over this in great detail and said that if you allow the missing middle to participate, it can become effective for a very large section of Indians. There should also be a roadmap to strengthen the four public sector insurance companies, and disinvestment is one of the options to strengthen them. And finally, they have said that IRDAI must consider instituting an ombudsman to deal with consumer grievances on the lines of the RBI.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. All important points there. Thanks, Parikshit, for bringing us up to speed on what those recommendations are like. Anish, so now